In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload your music to Spotify for free. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on anything you're using Spotify on. So what we want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to the top right where it has your profile icon. And then you're going to see settings as one of the options. Now, once you're in settings, you want to look for your library section. And the first thing you want to do is toggle on show local files. Go ahead and turn this on right there. And then it's going to say show songs from downloads and music library. So I can show songs from downloads if I want to. It's going to show my local files right here, like literally right here. But what I could also go ahead and do is add a source. So before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new folder and I'm just going to name it Spotify on my desktop. Then I'm going to press add a source. Then I can just go over to desktop and then I can go over and click Spotify, press OK. And then any music that I add into this folder is going to appear right here as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.